All right, so today we're going to be talking about the sneaky Pinterest hack to hijack other people's audience. So if you are tired of posting every day on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, just to hear crickets, this sneaky Pinterest hack ethically hijacks other people's audience to get you more traffic fast. So if you are an Etsy seller or small business owner already making sales and looking to scale, this is for you. I'm going to be breaking down how to tap into traffic from group boards on Pinterest so you can get seen by hundreds of thousands of potential buyers without running ads, posting daily, or building a funnel first. Now, you want to steal the strategy and start seeing results in 7 days or less, even if you have never used Pinterest strategically before. Now, if you want my Pinterest group board tracker to help you find and organize these boards fast, drop a me in the comments and I will send it over. Now, these are the same growth systems that I teach inside my brand build bank method used by hundreds of Etsy sellers to create consistent traffic and sales without the algorithm hustle. So let's talk about Pinterest first, because Pinterest is a search engine. It's not social media. And a lot of people are doing the grind model. Most sellers think content equals constant hustle. They post daily, they make reels, they keep up with trends, but that's a grind model, not a growth model. Now, here's the shift. Pinterest is a search engine, not a social media platform. So people come here to find something and not scroll, which means your content can live longer, you reach more people, and you do it passively. Now let's talk about group boards. This is where the magic happens. These are collaborative boards where multiple creators post content around a shared niche. Some have 10,000, 50,000, or even 100,000 followers. When you pin to one of these boards, your pins go in front of all of those eyeballs. That's traffic that you didn't have to earn from scratch. So what I'm saying with this is that if you join, let's say, 5 groups that have 100,000 followers each, every single time that you post on those 5 groups, you are reaching 500,000 followers that you never built on your account, even if you are starting from scratch on Pinterest. That's the beauty of this. And this is the same method that I use to drive over 100,000 clicks every single month to my products, my services, my courses, and other programs that I have. So I know this works because I do this every single month. So here's how it works. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Pinterest and you want to do a search for your niche. So whether that's nursery decor, whether you sell jewelry, whether you sell wedding gowns, and you're going to look for these group boards, and you're going to know that they're group boards because you're going to see multiple contributors on those boards. Then what you want to do is you want to find the group boards with at least minimum 1,000 followers. But ideally, my recommendation is 10,000 followers, 50,000 or more. The higher, the better. Then my recommendation is to read the description to find the board's owner's contact or instructions to join. Most of the people will put their instructions in the Pinterest board description. And some of them is going to ask you to follow them or message them in order to get access. Now, once you have been at it, my recommendation is to post 2 to 3 times per week. And you want to use fresh pin designs to avoid repetition and boost reach. Even if you're sending people to the same listings, make sure that the pins are always different. So this is going to help you build your organic distribution network. So what you want to do is you want to start with like 5 to 10 group boards and just build that network. You're going to be able to reach hundreds of thousands of people without a single ad dollar, which is the magic. Now, the additional tip I have here is to create 3 versions of each pin with different titles or images. Again, you don't need to create 50 new products. You don't need to start adding new products in your Etsy store in order to make money. You need smarter visibility, right? You need to work smarter, not harder, on what you already have right now at your current store. So this is how smart creators scale visibility without burnout. So don't forget to comment me to grab my free Pinterest tracker tool, and I hope you enjoy this video.